Hello pong muli, ang ating topic ay B syndrome, right shoulder pain. Male, age 46, pain, she complained, pain in the right shoulder. 3 years, history of pain in the right shoulder, which has gradually become worse. He was diagnosed as suffering from periarthritis of the shoulder joint. The symptoms worsened with exposure to cold, especially in winter and when the weather is cloudy and damp. Physical labor also exacerbates the pain. The patient always has difficulty in dressing and undressing, has tried various remedies, including physiotherapy, Western drugs, and Chinese herbs, but with very little success. Because the weather recently turned cold and the pain more severe, he decided to try acupuncture treatment. The patient has no previous health problems, and indeed, his general health remains good. On examination, there was general tenderness of the deltoid muscle, especially the anterior and upper lateral aspect. There, were, there was reduction in the shoulder range of motion, especially in abduction and internal rotation. There was some atrophy of the muscles of the shoulder girdle on the right. So the tongue, normal body with a thin white coating, pulse, wiry and tight, analysis of symptoms, tenderness and limited range of motion due to obstruction of the channels, exacerbation of symptoms with changes in the weather, invasion of the channels by external pathogenic factors. Wiry tight pulse means there is pain. Basic theory of case. Periarthritis of the shoulder is common in clinical practice, especially in patients of middle age or older. This is also known as fixed or frozen shoulder, as it is common in patients around the age of 50. It is also called 50 shoulder. The onset is gradual and usually become chronic, with the symptoms slowly getting worse. Typical symptoms include pain and limitation of movement of the shoulder with muscular atrophy in the latter stages. After middle age, the antipathogenic factor tends to become insufficient, and the harmony between nutritive qi and protective qi is lost. It is then more likely that pathogenic factors such as cold, wind, and dampness will invade local areas to cause obstruction of the channels and stagnation of the qi and blood. The onset is so gradual that the patient can rarely recall the initial incident that gave rise to the symptoms. Diagnosis is made on the basis of the symptoms, such as a localized feeling of cold and pain associated with weather change and preference for the heat applied to the shoulder. This disease is painful, obstruction in the narrow sense. So cause of disease, pathogenic cold. This patient has a 3-year history of localized pain in the shoulder related to weather change. The pulse is wiry and tight, indicating a cold pattern. So the site of disease, shoulder joint. The patient has a fixed pain in the area of the right shoulder. Thank you for your attention.